trees! Oh no! Here comes the police! They're trying to stop the dinosaur! Safety first! Nice shot! The dinosaur is down! Let's put it somewhere safe! Good job! The police set up a fence. Remember, fences keep us safe! Don't cross them! Uh-oh! The red and yellow cars found the cave. I hope they stay out.
What's in there? Should we check it out?
No way, that looks dangerous.
It'll be fine. Let's take a look.
Oh
Ouch.
no!
That hurt.
The red car
Maybe we
broke
should
the
just
rules
leave it
and
alone.
hit the fence.
No, I've
That's
got
not
this.
safe.
Help me! Help me!
Oh no, what do I do?
Oh my god.
Poor yellow car! Curiosity can be risky if we ignore warnings.
Huh?
Dinosaur, I need to get help.
Good job, Pink
Help us.
Car!
The dinosaur has captured
When
red and yellow
someone's in
cars.
trouble, call for help right away! Oh no! The dinosaur is even stronger now! We need more help.
It's too strong. I need your help.
Okay, let's go.
Here comes the rescue team! Working together makes us stronger. Yes! Teamwork saved the day. Look at them working together to stop the dinosaur. Yay! Everyone's safe now. Helping friends in need is always the right thing to do.
We're safe, thank you.
Thank you.
See? The fence is back up. Remember, rules are there to protect us.
Orange.
Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Pink.
Remember, do not be curious or enter areas marked as dangerous.
Bing bong!
What's taking so long?
There's a traffic jam.
Come on! Come on!
What should I do?
Something's wrong. Let's go. Let's roll out. Transform! Transform!
Transform!
Hey! Yo, 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 yo!
I think I know what we have to do. Calm down! We'll handle it after the train passes!
go! Go, go, go!
Bye, have a great time.
Goodbye!
Much later.
What should I do?
Simple, just an overpass.
Great idea.
Oh, let's do it.
Yo, 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 yo!
Bing bang.
Construction ahead. Please take another route.
Okay already. Remember to use cement. Don't let it fall over.
Too much talk. No need for cement to stand still.
Wow, that's really great.
Oh my God!
What happened?
The bridge pillar isn't strong enough.
You don't use cement, do you?
I don't. You suck. My mistake. I must fix it quickly.
Five minutes later.
Oh yeah! Oh my gosh!
You come back. My appearance solves all problems.
Can I go yet?
Please come over.
Let's go! Hooray! Hooray!
The bridge is solid.
This is a lesson for you about being careful.
I know.
Mission accomplished. Let's celebrate.
Oh yeah! Bye, have a great time. Let's go! Hey! Bing bang!
So boring. What is this? "1 a.m. to X yard. Only you, if not your friends, will be in danger."
What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm busy. I go out.
Is he hiding something from me?
Hey!
Much later.
What will happen?
Oh my God!
Get out! We have to act. Transform!
NANI?!
Come on!
If I can destroy this guy, I can rule the mud.
I can't wait. Transform!
Why is he here?
Let's go!
Why are you here?
Focus on fighting first. Water blast, go!
What should we do?
Don't worry.
Oh my God!
Hey! Blue!
Focus!
Why are you crying?
Just you wait. I won't let this go.
It was him!
Remember us when you are in trouble.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for nothing. No need.
We won anyway. Let's celebrate.
Oh yeah! Let's go!
Bye. Have a great time.
Goodbye. Oh my God!
So messy, let me clean it up. I've got an idea. Transform! Oh yeah!
Okay, here we go.
Yo, 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 yo!
Hey!
Come on! Go, 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 go!
Meanwhile,
Help me, I'm stuck in the forest.
We have to save him right now. Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform!
Come on, come on!
Let's go!
5 minutes later.
Hey!
There you are, please help me.
Don't worry, let me pull you up.
Whoa! Come on, you can do it!
Go, 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 go! Let's do it together.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, but there's so much trash here.
Come on, we'll help you clean the whole forest.
I'm ready.
Thank you.
Yo, 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 yo!
Hey! Let me fill it up before someone falls again! Haha, we can fill this hole easily.
Ten years later.
Let me smooth the way.
All done. The forest looks so clean.
Let's keep our world clean like this together. Let's go!
Hey!
Oh yeah!
Hello?
The big truck rolls down the road, its shiny M&M candies sparkling in the sun. Safe driving keeps everyone happy.
I'm hungry.
Wow, those candies look so tempting.
Hulk daydreams about swimming in candy.
exactly
Sweetest dream ever.
Hello.
There is an accident here. Come here.
He swerves in front of the candy truck, eyes full of greed. But taking what isn't yours is never okay.
Help me. We come here.
A police officer is guiding traffic at the busy intersection, keeping things safe and smooth. McQueen stops just in time, but Hulk zooms past the red light.
Oh,
Red means
that car
stop,
just ran a red
safety
light.
first.
Next, we'll build a line. No way, have I been caught? Hey, you, stop right there. Let's color it. Not a chance. Help me. Catch me if you can.
Angry Hulk smashes into the police car, sending it crashing into a deep hole.
Help me! Help me!
Oh my God.
The tow truck hears the call, rushes in, and pulls the car up. Helping hands are real heroes.
Oh, okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay. I need your help.
The officer makes a quick call. Time for the crane and big truck to jump into action.
Okay, we're on our way.
The crane and truck block the road together. Teamwork makes us stronger.
Do not steal from others. I'm sorry.
Oh no! The monster truck is scattering nails on the road. He's covering them with sand. This is dangerous. Always watch for hidden hazards on the road. Here comes the truck, happily driving along, unaware of the danger ahead. Oh my God! The truck ran over a nail. The tire burst, swerved, and then crashed into a tree. Always drive carefully and stay alert.
There, help me.
What's going on? OMG, that's terrible. I'll run to find a support vehicle. I need your help. A car ran over some nails and got into an accident. Truck, bring along spare tires for replacement. You guys gather the nails and fix the road, okay?
Okay, let's go.
We need a rescue team. Let's fix the road and help the truck.
OMG, this is terrible.
Wow, so many tires. How do we know which one fits the truck?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, I'll go catch him. You guys help fix the road, all right?
Look, the crane is carefully picking up the nails to prevent them from harming others. They start laying down fresh sand to rebuild the road.
Yay, this is amazing.
Oh no! Here's the troublemaker again! Is he planning to scatter nails again?
Do not play harmful tricks to hurt others.
I'm sorry. It's a peaceful day on the road, but something exciting is about to happen. 2 race cars zoom down the road at lightning speed. Oh no! They didn't notice the slow-moving truck ahead. Crash! The race cars collided with the truck, creating a big mess. Fuel spilled everywhere as the truck tipped over. What a dangerous situation!
There was an accident over there.
Okay, I'll come here.
The police arrived quickly to investigate the scene.
Wow, one serious problem.
Help me! Help me!
Hey, stop, stop.
What happened?
Please help me rescue the vehicles.
The crane truck was called to help lift
Thank
the
you,
vehicles
bro.
back up.
Yahoo! Yahoo!
Thanks to teamwork,
Thank you.
all the cars were rescued safely.
Help me! Help me!
You are fined for joking around in traffic.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Follow me to the police station.
Hey.
Oh dear. The truck can't move.
My car
it
has
ran
run out of
of
gas.
fuel.
I will help you. Let's go.
The crane truck offered to tow the truck to the gas station. How helpful. At the gas station, the vehicles waited patiently for their turn.
Give me a full tank of gas.
Suddenly, two evil
Please line
cars
up.
sped in, cutting
We
the
don't
line. The crane truck stood up to them, protecting everyone from their bad behavior. With its powerful arm, the crane truck sent the troublemakers flying out of the station. After the trouble was cleared, the truck finally got its fuel. Always remember, drive safely and be respectful to others on the road.